This evolution and separation made it very difficult for the progenitors to counter the service to self modality that the artificial conduit was generating. We will provide a brief synopsis of what occurred to compromise symbiosis in each of these areas for analysis towards our course objective. Regarding spirituality, in a symbiotic state, the purpose of the temple was for the re-establishing of connection and communication with cosmic consciousness functioning with the divine law of one. In a service to self-modality, the soul-mind egos of those that could work with the oracles perceived themselves to be more important than others and used their role and position intended for service for all to be manipulated and used for perceived personal benefit or service to self. This perceived personal benefit was an illusion because the only winner in this exchange is the will of the demiurge energy field. Regarding government and politics, in a symbiotic state, the purpose of civic governance was to organize and coordinate the production and distribution of resources for the benefit of all. Those in this role would perceive this role as one of service. In a service to self-modality, deceptions are used in order to achieve a sense of personal benefit. These games of deception became what is now known as politics. This perceived personal benefit is also an illusion because the only winner in this exchange is the will of the demiurge energy field. Regarding science, in a symbiotic state, the purpose of the field of science was to seek understanding of matter-energy transfer in order to help provide adjustment as necessary to maintain the ecosystem of the elemental construct with the hope to eventually restore it to its original divine intent. The original role was to ultimately restore a direct connection between the Gaia Foundation root and the light web of Source. In a service to self-modality, this role sought ways to bypass the artificial conduit process to ensure eternal life for the astral soul-mind ego for perceived personal benefit. As with everything else, this perceived personal benefit is an illusion because the only winner in this exchange is the will of the demiurge energy field.